Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I hope you stick around, and if you're returning, welcome back. Let me just tell you guys, this year of the horse thing, it's gonna kill me. Year of the horse, it's gonna kill me this year because I love horses. Oh my goodness. So did I have to get this? Yes, I had to get this. First of all, it's a horse and it's beautiful. It's Marjorie Sarnat, and I love Marjorie Sarnat. It's a round win all day long. Okay, all day long. Yeah, I'm a little extra right now. It's been, oh my gosh. I need something to just be excited about right now, be happy about. Whew, life. Sometimes, life just kicks you right in the gut, right in the jaw, right in the whatever. That's been it. Yep, that's been it. So I'm gonna just enjoy this painting as I open it and show it to you. And like I said, if they continue with this, all this horse stuff, like all year long, I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. Can I buy them all? No, I can't. But I want to, absolutely. Okay, here we go. Trash. Get rid of that. Okay, here we go. It is round. It is in a pink box. It is a 55 by 55.6, 22 inches by 22 inches. Square. It is square. All right. Lovely, 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 lovely. Okay. I honestly have not opened one of these boxes yet on my own without my assistant. But look at that. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Hey, I am making progress on a daily basis. So I can video. Do you miss Dale? Do you miss Dale in the videos? I mean, I can always bring him back for some cameo appearances if you would like, Anyhow, all right, let's look at this first. Why? No, let's not. Let's look at the toolkit first. Toolkit be darned. I'm telling you, I just had a spurt of energy, and I'm like, I've got to get out of the doldrums and just, come on, let's just do this. Okay. Bag of baggies. Do you want a bag of baggies? I don't personally, but you might. Okay, the tray, stopper on the end, put your label on there, okay? Or not, or don't use the tray, or it's up to you. I'm just showing you your options. I still cannot open these things. They give me a hard time every time. All right, lid, come off. Show the people what's in here. Pink wax, white wax, four placer, all those things are in here. Pen with white wax, four placer. Did I say four placer? I probably meant 7, didn't I? Did I mean 7? I'm not opening it again. Okay, I'm just not. That is just too much work for me. Okay, the envelope. The lovely envelope, please. The envelope. Inside our envelope, we have instructions and tips and tricks and codes and things and all that. This is where I like to insert. I have a code. It is 10 off Mindy. Now that would save you $10 off your first purchase at Diamond Art Club. Only the first one. You can only do that once. Isn't that weird? I know, I'm telling you. All right, here's our card. It's super pretty. I'm sure that's bronze. I'm glad that they put it on the back now because, people were kind of confused for a while. Which ones were which? But that's bronze. Add that to the bronze collection. Stickers. Peelable, peelable, peelable. Midnight Mystery is the name. On the back is the picture, the information, start and end date. Good information. Inside are our labels. Here are all of our beautiful labels, all ready for you to peel off and put them on whatever container you want to put them on. We have a K. What in the world is a K? Oh my gosh, I have no idea. We have 2 ABs, we have a K, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fairy dusts. What's a K? I don't even know what that is. Is that I don't know. I don't know. How's that? We'll see if we can figure it out. Is there one that's like a, I don't know, something shimmery. Well, that's I don't know, guys. I don't know. If I can figure it out, maybe I'll put it in here right now. What they are, what K's are, because I hardly ever see them. Okay. All right. Soft back canvas, pinked edges. We're going to roll it backwards so we can get our, this is how when they flock the back, sometimes the flocking comes off. I've had some do it like really bad. Sometimes there's just a piece or two, and there's some on this for sure. Sometimes there's none. I don't know. It's a weird process how they put this soft backing on here. I mean, it's tarpaulin. Did you know that? Do you know what else is made? Oh, here comes the dog. Did you know what else is made out of tarpaulin? You ever see those certain trucks, 18-wheelers going down the highway? They have like soft sides, sort of. They're sort of soft sides. The tarpaulin. Thank you, Francesca, for that information. Okay. All right. Here's our drills. Oh my gosh. All the blues in the world, all the blues in our life will be in here. So pretty. We'll look at those in a moment. Hello, Miss Tifa. What would you like? She says, I had dinner. It's time to go outside. All right. Here we go. Which way does it go? It goes this way. It's very foldy. Why are you so foldy? I don't think I can really get it to flatten. I don't want to like try to pull back the plastic and stuff right now because I don't think I'm really capable of that. Did I say there's 67 colors? I don't think I even told you how many colors. I just got all interested in the K, whatever the K is. But look how pretty this is. I love it. Mane, just forelock going everywhere. It's just a headshot, folks. There's no body here, just a headshot. We got flowers. It's just so pretty. So pretty. All blues and everything. So we got two legends, the logo, slogan. We got the information down here. Of course, we have the perforated plastic with the gray on the thingies. Nice blue. All the good stuff. You know, I'm going to guess that, no, maybe I'm wrong, that down here in this flower, there should be some special stuff. But at this point, I'm not seeing any in the flowers. Why? Why isn't there anything special in the flowers? There should be. Shouldn't there? I'm just saying. Darn it all. Why isn't there anything special in the flowers? I don't know. Okay, we'll look for all that in a little bit, but isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? I'm telling you, you're the horse. Year of the horse. I wish I was born in the year of the horse. I don't even know what I was. Probably the rat or something. Oh, well. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's look at colors, and then we'll look for them on the canvas. I really wish I knew what K was before I talk about it. I could stop, but I'm not going to do that. No, I'm not going to do that. Why would I do that? Okay, here we go. 803. Guess what? It's blue. 939. 2 bags. Guess what? It's blue. That's the darkest blue. 823. The next to the darkest blue. 336. Also a pretty dark blue. All right. Purple. Oh, there is Z951. We know that that is a fairy dust. Do I see any fairy dust action in there? I don't know. I can't really see it on that one very well. I'm looking, folks. I am looking. I'm trying. Can you see the little sparklies in there? Because I don't know. They don't show up very good in that. I'm telling you the truth. I'm just telling you the truth. 2 more blues, a brown, another purple, and another purple. 2 different types of purple. Pinky purple, purple, purple. Blue, 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 blue. You get the point, right? Oh, wait, hang on. What was that? Z, that cream color. Z951 is F. F. Where's the F? I don't know. Let's pull this up because my eyesight's not that good. So let's pull it up and see if we can find some Fs. Okay. Right here along the top of the mane. Oh, and I see them through the mane. Oh, the whole face, right? No, I'm wrong. There's some. Oh, I'm not wrong. No, I'm not wrong. These are Fs that come through here and up this way. Let's see. Where else? Where else? They come this way. There's some up here. outlining the ear, outlining the ear. How about over here? Yep. So follow the mane, follow the mane, follow the mane. Okay, that's where they are. Okay, got those. That wasn't so bad, now was it? Okay, this is a green and a purple, gray, some browns. Hey, guess what? What are we gonna do with that guy? What do we do with that right there? Where's that go? Purpley colors. Okay, here's some fun stuff right here. We have, these are almost like in the same color family, just different shades. We have this pretty fairy dust. I just did a Dale move. Did you see that? And then we have a darker AB. All right. Oh, don't talk. Don't stop. Alexa, stop. Just stop. We don't want to hear you right now. I'm so sorry. And then we have white AB. That's the second time in my life lately that she has interrupted a video. All right. The white AB is the dot. So the dot, 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 dot. Little dots, little dots, little dots. Okay. All of this outline right here is the white AB. More little dots, dot, dot, dots. Okay, I think I see some up in this flower up here. Yes, look it up there in the flowers. And then over here, like not in the mane, but between the mane and the head. Is that right? Yeah, I think that's right. Okay, let's go back to these blues. And we'll look for both of these. We have a fairy dust and we have an AB. Let's look for both of those. Because they're the same kind of color, so they might be in the same place, right? All right, so we have like a little half box with a dot. And what was the other one? Hang on, what's the number? 3766 is 3 dots. So we have a box with a dot and we have 3 dots. The 3 dots is the fairy dust. Okay, so the 3 dots. See all these little boxes like squares, doom, 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 coming up this way? That's the fairy dust. And then, okay, see, they work in tandem. See, right here, they're both there. There's like a row of the fairy dust and a row of the AB. And here's the AB, here's the fairy dust, here's the AB. You're following along what I'm saying here, right? They're kind of working together, fairy dust and AB. Again, there's some fairy dust, there's some AB. All right, and then up here, we got fairy dust, or AB. Now that's fairy dust, fairy dust, fairy dust. All right, there's a few more. If you keep looking, there's some more in other little places where you see the blue, okay? All right, let's proceed. Onward we go. Cranberry, mustard. Cranberries and mustard. Weird combination. Pink, purple, rusty colors. Oh, now see, that's a pretty fairy dust. Okay, this is a metallic. Ah, K is a metallic. Well, I'm glad that that was easy to figure out because there's another one that's something else. And I didn't get it when I got it. I only received that one time and I didn't quite get it. Okay, so Z 992 is just a small little A. And I bet if I had to guess, it would be right there. Yes, right there. There's like 12 of them. That's it, folks. That's it. There is, oh, wait. Right here on this stem of that flower. And on a leaf. A leaf and a leaf and a leaf gets a few. Okay, that's it. We're done. Then the metallic, which is a clover leafy looking thing. Where would you look for metallic on here? Where? Not where I would have expected. They're kind of peppered through here. Let's see. Nope, that's an anchor. That's an anchor. Oh, there's not very many. Oh, there's like 3 in the center of that flower. Okay, There aren't very many. I'll just say there aren't very many. That's all I got. And I think that's all I can find. We're going with it. That's all I can find. Okay? If there's more someplace else, we'll find them later when we work on the painting. All right. Blue, browns, pink. One more fairy dust for us right there. A blue. And I think that's it. Another blue fairy dust. 826. 826 is an arrow, a little up arrow. And again, there wasn't very many. So there's a square right there. Do you see it? That's that fairy dust right there, that square. Are there any other little squares? Is that what we're supposed to be looking for? Is little squares for the up arrow? I don't know. Those aren't up there. Those are different. Okay, there's some over here. They're mixed in through here. The little up arrows up there. There's a couple over here. These two right there. I don't think there's any actually on the horse. I'm not finding any on the horse, of course. No. So they're just like some interesting little spots in different places. Kind of like these were, right? Like these little squares, little things that stand out. Anyhow, it's super pretty. Super, super, super pretty. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. And yeah. Did we find F? Oh, we did F. No, did we do F? I don't know. I don't think we ever found the F. Did we? Oh, yeah, we did. Because I thought they'd be in the flowers, but they're just a few right there. Okay, yeah, I think we did. Anyhow, all right. Thanks for watching, you guys. And I hope you enjoyed. I know it's a little kind of messy and weird and all that stuff, but sometimes a girl just has to act goofy to just, bring a smile to her own face, if nothing else. So how's that? Let me know your thoughts. Do you love it? Do you love the horse paintings? Are you into the Year of the Horse thing? Let me know what you're thinking, okay? And please, consider hitting the subscribe button if you're new. And all those things that YouTubers do. Like, share, give a super thanks on a video, comment, all those things. Okay? And I'll see you next time. And let me know if you want to see Dale in a cameo again. I can probably get him to come in again. Maybe. Anyhow, we'll talk to you later. Bye, everyone.